Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, hard disk drive assembly, solid-state drive, system board, speakers, display panel assembly, and display panel. Removal. Remove the three 2.5mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the display enclosure. Lift the right display panel hinge off of the alignment pins on the display enclosure and remove. The left display panel hinge is removed in the same manner. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel hinges.